Personal Capital App Review. Personal Capital, now rebranded as Empower Personal Dashboard, is a free financial tracking and investment management app designed for users who want to monitor their net worth, investments, and overall financial health. It offers robust tools for budgeting, retirement planning, and portfolio analysis. Let's get straight into the pros and cons. So without further ado, here are the pros of this app. As for the pros, it is comprehensive net worth tracking. It links all your bank, investment, and loan accounts in one place. Next is investment analysis tools. It provides insights into asset allocation, risk, and hidden fees. Next is retirement planning. It simulates different scenarios for retirement savings. And lastly is free to use. It has most features, including financial tracking and analysis, are available at no cost. And for the cons, it has aggressive wealth management offers. The app frequently prompts users to sign up for its paid advisory services. Next is limited budgeting features. It lacks detailed expense categorization compared to apps like Mint or YNAB. And lastly, US-focused. Some features may not be available for international users. I guess it would suit for those who are investors who want detailed portfolio insights, as well as users looking to track their net worth and retirement goals, and those comfortable linking financial accounts to a third-party app. As for the summary, Personal Capital Empower is one of the best free apps for tracking investments and net worth. However, if you need in-depth budgeting tools, you may need a separate budgeting app. The frequent upselling of advisory services can be annoying, but the free features make it worthwhile for investors. So, I guess that is enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.